All right, second take. So I just had a what if. You remember the previous video, we had an error, and the error was, yes, was pointing to a file, to a module actually, to a module, and I wanted to start it and I couldn't show anything, and we ended up like this. Then I thought, what if it could provide us with more information, then you get already a little bit of feel of what's going to happen. And so I put a hashtag in front of this thing. By the way, this thing is file save as. This thing is hidden away in user share Calamares settings conf. That's where I'm changing things. We'll put our own conf somewhere else, but that's the config it's using now. And indeed, I'm happy to show you something, right? We see here some generic thing, Linux 2017 8, Adrian, please, 2020, and so on. Installer, nice logo, the language we recognize, the looks, the 18.1, guys, that's our choice, we've done that. Generic support, you go up, but we don't have a browser, I suppose, so it's going in here to the internet. Known issue, so it's pointing to websites, and link, or the website here, the terminal here is well responding on our clicks. So next, Brussels, it's working again, the server of Plasma, so that's good. We get immediately the right button, and otherwise you just select it. It's not so important. And then, of course, that's quite important. Choose your proper letter. So the CKB comp thing, that's this, right? We need that package to have this particular support. And then next, erase disk, no swap, swap no hibernate with hibernate, encrypt no encrypt. It's all recognizable from ArcoLinux. Next, the name. And standards, it's on. You see these things are on already, so I haven't changed anything. It's just Calamares. Password is too short, so I can have short passwords in Calamares. I hate that I have to make these adaptations that I say like this. Password fails a dictionary check. I don't know what they want me to do. I'm gonna put 1 2 3 behind it, 1 2 3 behind it. Okay, fine, now that's okay. So I don't like all these complex things as a rule, but hey, it's all choice. Linux is all about choices. Let's see if anything happens, because we probably can do something. Voila, there we go. So we still need to do a lot of extra stuff, but in the meantime, you feel already where we're going, what the direction is we're taking. We need still to configure it, and that's cool. All right, that's it. I'm out.